Okay, children, welcome to the class. Okay, this I had explained last class, isn't it, Sarah? 5x plus 4x 9x equals to 180 degree being co-triangle. Okay, and x equals to 100 degree by 9, then it will come answer 20 degree.
Yes, sir, we have done this one.
Yes, Sonam. Hello, Sonam Guru. And this was also explained last class, this alternate angle. These two angles are alternate angle, that's why they are equal.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Why they are equal? Because they are alternate angles, right?
Alternate angles.
And then x value comes here 30 degree. This was also explained. Okay. And now here, look, this was also explained, I think, Sarah, isn't it? This was alternate exterior angles.
Yes, sir.
They are also equal. And when you solve them, then you will get the value of x, that is 46 degree. Right? And next one, look there. Here was the construction. Yes, we have to draw one line, parallel to AB and CD through the point E. To the point E. Okay, that we have to show the construction also, and we have tried here in solution also. Construction through EF parallel to AB. This is the symbol of parallel. EF parallel to AB and EF parallel to CD are drawn. Okay, in this figure. And what we did here, this upper one part, look here, BAE and AEF. These two angles are co-interior angles. That's why we found the value of AEF. AEF comes there 50 degree. This AEF comes 50 degree, this one, upper one. Because these two angles are co-interior angles, okay? After this, we have to do this one, down one, look there. This also, EF, look here, this one. FEC, okay, this one. FEC and ECD. These two angles are also co-interior angles. That's why their sum will be 180 degree. Then we put there FEC. FEC value is not given, ECD value is given 120. Then we found ECD, look here, ECD is 120, then 120 goes this side minus and it will be subtracted, then answer will come angle FEC equals to 60 degree. Okay, children. Then look here, AEF and FEC came, and if we add these two angles, then we will get x value. Okay, that is called the whole part axiom. The whole part, okay, theorem also we can tell. Do we have tried here then? X equals to 50 plus 60, that means x equals to 110 degree. Are you clear, children? Sonam, Sarah, Prajol, Ashish, have you understood? Nevisa, understood?
Yes, sir.
I think some of the students may have come from C2 also.
Yes, sir.
Who are there?
It's me.
Oh, yes, you are new section, okay, class managed. You might have already informed about it, okay? And now look here. It was already taught in your section before.
Yes, sir. We were in set chapter.
You were in set.
Yes, sir. We have already finished this chapter.
Okay, you have already finished this, okay. Have you understood this question or no? Okay. Now, is there any other student who have come from other section also? Now your section is B4, okay? Now look here. In this next one, look here. Next one question also look. In this question also we have to do construction. This RO should be drawn parallel to IJ and KL. Then this middle one angle is divided into two parts. Okay. Okay, children. Then upper one, what will be this one? Look here, I am showing here construction first side this. I have told just now this parallel to this drawn, and angle POR equals to angle NPI. POR equals to NPI being corresponding angle. Then we have to write therefore angle POR equals to 45 degree. This angle became 45 degree and down one angle will be 25 degree because ROQ and OQL, these two angles will be alternate angles. Okay, Prajwal?
Okay, sir.
Now look here, when we find this angle is 45, this angle is 25, and when we add this one, both angle, then we will get this value of x. Okay, that I am going to show in next slide. Look here, this x, how to find x, this one? We have to add these two angles, okay? Add this upper one and this down one. Then you will get the value of x. Okay, value of x will come 70 degree. Okay, children?
Okay, sir.
The value of x will come 70 degree. Okay, Sarah, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I am going to show the next one.
Sir, can you show that previous slide?
You have understood this one?
Sir,
Okay.
no, for the screenshot.
Okay, I have shown this one. Please, everybody keep the video on during the classes. I have found there 1-2 students only. Yes, Sarah, Prajwal, okay, good. Now look here, when we add these two angles, then our value of this one, look here, this value of x will come. We have to add this upper one and we have to add this down one, and that is known as being whole part, okay, this is the whole part. Therefore, x equals to 70 degree. X equals to 70 degree.
70 degree.
Okay, children?
Okay, sir.
Maybe, sir. We have managed the Google Classroom, okay? We have managed the Google Classroom for the homework, okay? You please enter there, okay? Sarah, once please share the Google Classroom code. She will write.
Okay.
Maybe, sir, you have to enter in Google Class, okay? For the
Sir,
homework.
the chat is private.
75 and WRA5.
You have already found? Maybe, sir, you have found that code.
No,
No,
sir,
sir.
Aditi told.
Okay, look here. I am opening the chat box one. Okay, you can see there. Okay, maybe sir, see in chat box. Sarah is going to write there.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Sarah, you can share there. She will write. Those
Sir,
who have
done. Sir, done.
okay, okay. Maybe sir.
Yes, sir.
Have you got code there?
Yes, sir, I have got.
Okay. For that you have to go to Google Classroom. Okay, there I will provide the homework one. Okay, you have to do homework and submit there only.
Okay, sir.
You have to do homework from there only and you have to submit there also.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I hope that everybody have understood this question. And this question, look here. Here also we have divided this angle X in two parts. Okay. One is angle AOP and there is angle POJ. This one, sorry, POC. Okay. We have to draw here also this OP parallel to AB and CD, or PO parallel to AB and CD. Upper one is this alternate angle. This upper one is alternate angle. Down also POC also alternate angle with this 28 degree. Okay, first of all we have to mention here this construction. We have to mention the construction here. After that, we have to find out this upper one also alternate angle, down also alternate angle. Okay, AOP also alternate angle with 42, POC also alternate angle with 28. Then they will be equal. After that we have to find X. X equals, we have to add this upper one angle and down one angle. Then you will get the value of X, which is known as being whole part. Being whole part axiom. Okay. Then you will get the value of X, that is 42 degree plus 28 degree. Okay. And value of X will be 70 degree. Okay, children, understood this?
Yes, sir.
Prajwal, have you understood? Aditi,
Sir, can you explain it again?
look here. I am going to explain again. Look here. This upper one angle, look here. POA or AOP. AOP is alternate angle with 42. This upper one angle is 42. And down also look. POC is also alternate angle with 28. This upper one angle is 42. Down one angle became this POC became 28. When you add this 42 and 28, you will get the value of X. Because this whole angle will be obtained by adding this 42 and 28. Okay, children, that is shown here. Are you clear, Ashish?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Tara, are you clear? Okay. Now I am going to show there. Next one, look here. Okay, after this one, okay, it was the previous is one, okay. And now I am going to share the next one file. Okay, children.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Is the new file shared?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I think it is shared now. Prajwal, is the new file shared or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Look, it is the next one question. Okay, 5 number, look there. How you will find out the value of X? Do you know, Prajwal? How you will find out the value of X here? Value of X will be equal with 60 degree. Okay, being corresponding angle. X equals to 60 degree being corresponding angle. Okay. And
Okay, sir.
after finding the value of X, you know X degree and Z degree are, they are making straight angle. Or you
Alternate
can
angle.
straight angle. X and Z. X and Z will make straight angle. Okay, then X and Z added, then it will be 180 degree. Then when 60 goes here, it will be subtracted. 180 minus 60, then you will get the value of Z. 120 degree. Are you clear, children?
Yes, sir.
What is the value of Z?
120.
Very good. And when you get the value of Z, and Z and Y will be what? Corresponding angle. They will be equal. Because these two lines are parallel, and Z degree and Y degree will be equal. Z degree and Y degree will be equal because they are the corresponding angles. And these two lines are parallel. Okay, children?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Then Y degree equals to Z degree being corresponding angle, then value of Y will be 120 degree. Are you clear, children, this?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now, should I show you the next question slide? Question solution?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now next slide goes like this. Look there. What type of angles are these two angles? One is 2x and another is 3x. Okay, children? They are co-interior angles.
Co-interior.
Yeah, very good. They are the co-interior angles. Then their sum will be 180 degree. Okay. And 5x degree equals to 180 degree. And x equals to 180 by 5. When you divide, then you will get the value of x 36 degree. Are you clear, children, about this question? Solution?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Now I am going to show you the next solution, that is this one. Look here. What is the relation of x degree and 110 degree? They are co-interior angles, okay? That's why their sum will be
180 degree.
good. Then we get the value of x by subtracting 110 from 180. Therefore, x equals to 70 degree. Are you clear? And after this, we have to find the value of y. You can write directly y equals 110 because they are alternate angles. And alternate angles will be equal. Y equals 110 degree. After finding the value of y, we can find the value of z. Z equals to x degree because they are also alternate angles. Z degree equals to also x degree, being alternate angles. Okay, children?
Yes, sir.
Are you clear about this question? Have you understood, Nevisa?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I am going to show you the next slide. It goes like this. Here is z degree equals 70 degree. Okay, z and x are same because they are alternate angle. In this question, look here. What is the relation
Sir,
of
can
y?
you please show that slide?
Okay, I am showing there. This one.
Sir, to screenshot.
This one.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, done.
Okay, now look here. In this figure, what is the relation of y and 35?
Co-interior angle.
Very good, very good. What will be their sum?
180 degree.
Very good, very good. That its sum will be 180 degree. You are right. Now, when 35 goes here, subtract, then y value will come 145 degree. Okay, children. Now, Z and 35 are what type of angle? They are corresponding angle.
Corresponding.
Good. That's why Z equals to 35. And x and z are also corresponding. That's why value of x also will be the value of z1, same 35 degree. Okay, children?
Okay, sir.
Hello, Christian.
Okay,
Are you
sir.
understanding? Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Good. I am going to show you the next one now. That is this question. Look here. Okay, this is the question and this is the solution one. Okay, here we have to suppose some angles there. Look, because there is not given name of the angles, that's why I am supposing here. I have supposed here this angle, look, red color one, this B degree, and this angle A degree. Okay, I have supposed here this angle is A degree and this angle is B degree. Okay, Ashish? Prajwal, understood?
Yes, sir. Yes,
This
sir.
construction one, there is not given any angle one, look, name. That's why I have put this one side one, this one, okay? B degree, because with the help of B degree we can find other angles also. With the help of A degree we can find other angles also. Okay, children? Then look here. Y equals to 30 degree. Why? Here is ignorant reason, being corresponding angle. Are you clear, children, about it? Then A degree equals to X degree.
Yes, sir.
A degree equals to X degree, being vertically opposite angle. Then B degree equals to 30 degree, being vertically opposite angle. And now B degree, and what you have to add, look here, when we add 25 degree with B degree, when we add these two angles, look here clearly, 25 degree when we add with B degree, its sum of these two angles will be added with A degree. Then these two angles will form co-interior angle. Look, this upper one angle is B plus 25, down is A degree. This, okay, will form co-interior angles. And we know the B value already. And A, from this one we will get, which one will get there? Look there. What do we find from here? We find the value of X. Okay, 180 minus 55, where comes 125. Are you clear, student, about it?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Prajwal Chan, video off,
Yes,
wait.
sir.
Please keep the video on. Christine, Kripal, Aditi, Sahaj,
Yes,
Dishan, Punika, Subham, Arya, Saugat, Ridik, Unica, okay, now look here. Like this we find the value of X degree, Y degree and Z degree from here. Just now we found the value of X degree here. Look here, I am going to show you the next slide. It goes like this. Hafiz, are you looking? I am asking to Hafiz. Okay, look here, I am solving here another one. When we add Y degree, A degree and Z degree, you will have 180 degree, because they will form straight angle. They will form straight angle. These two angles sum will be 180 degree. Y value we have already, and A degree also we have already. We don't have Z degree, that's same. And 130, look here. This 30 degree and 125 degree added, it will be 155, and it will be subtracted here. The answer of Z degree will come 25 degree. Okay, children?
Okay, sir.
Are you clear about this solution?
yes, sir.
Ashish, are you clear about it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Nevisa,
Yes, sir.
good. Now look here, Sahaj. Are you clear? I am going to show you next one. Look here. Can
Yes,
you
sir.
okay, Sahaj, can you tell how to find the value of X here? How to find the value of X? These two angles are vertically opposite angles. X degree equals to 115 degree. Right, Dishanta? Are you listening, Rujip? X is equal with 115.
Yes, sir.
X is equal with 115. And then when we find the value of x, y degree will be equal with x degree being corresponding angle. These two angles will be corresponding angle. Then y degree can be found. Okay. And after that we have to find z. Z equals to 68 degree. Do you know this answer? Z and 68 are corresponding angles. And corresponding angles will be equal. That's why the value of z degree also 68 degree. Are you clear, Hafiz? Hello, Hafiz.
Yes, sir.
Are you clear about its solution of VI? Are you clear about the solution of VI?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now I am going to show you the next one.
Sir, we have to rejoin. 8 minutes is left.
Okay. After this, okay, some questions are left for this exercise. Okay. Then after we have to also we will also start. Okay, set. Okay, children.
Okay, sir.
And these slides also today over. Okay. And I am going to share another one slide.
Sir, we have to rejoin.
No. We don't need to rejoin. I will show the answer slide and remaining one I will teach you in the next class. Okay. Okay, Sarah.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now I am going to share the next one. Is my next file shared or not now?
No, sir.
No, okay, I am going to share there. Okay, look. Is it shared?
Yes, sir. It is class by Saud, sir.
Okay. Is this one? Look here. This is the question number 6 one, okay? Okay, children.
Okay, sir.
What is the relation of y
Okay, sir.
degree? What is the relation of y degree and 42 degree here?
They are
Corresponding angle.
Corresponding angle. You are right. You are
alternate.
right. And what is the relation of x degree and y degree here?
Alternate angle.
Yes, alternate angles. Okay, Prajwal, you also tell please. Okay, those who know they have to show the reaction there and you have to tell the answer. And y degree equals to 42 degree being corresponding angle and x degree equals to y degree being alternate angle. Are you clear, children, about this solution? Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
I am going to show you the next one. Therefore, the value of x is 42 degree here. Sarah,
Yes, sir.
can you tell what is the relation of this y degree and 100 degree?
Sir, can you show that?
What is the relation of y degree and 100 degree? Y degree and 100 degree. What is the relation of this y degree and 100 degree here? Nefisa, can you tell? Y degree and 100
Alternate
degree.
angle.
Good. Alternate exterior angles. Good. These two are alternate exterior angles. Then y equals 100 degree. Then like this we can suppose here this is A. Then A degree will be equal to y degree. These two are what? Vertically opposite angle. Then A degree and x degree will be added. A degree and x degree will be added. Then they will be co-interior angles. Okay, children, are you clear about it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Y degree equals to 100 degree being alternate angles, and I just told this is A and Y. These two are what? Vertical opposite angle. Then A degree is look at co-interior angle with x degree. A degree plus x degree will be 180 degree. Then we can find the value of x from here. 180 degree minus 100 degree. Okay. Then it will be x value is 80 degree. Okay, children?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Are you clear about its solution? Okay.
Sir.
Today this much only, and remaining question we will do in next class, and we will start in next class. Set also will start. Okay, children? Sarah, do you have any confusion in this solution?
No, sir.
Okay. Prajwal, Ashish, Dev, Aditi, do you have any confusion? Dishant, Christine, Kripal, Subham, Punika, Arya, Saugat, Ridek, Unica. Do you have any confusion in this question?
No, sir.
Okay, very good. You have understood all the solution that is shown today, that is taught today. Nefisa, are you clear on today's class? About today's class?
Me?
Yes. Are you clear?
Me? Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And next class we will finish this exercise and we will start straight. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And that will be done in arithmetic copy. This is geometry and that set will be done in arithmetic copy. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, children. Okay. Bye bye. Today this much only. Bye bye. See you in next period.
Okay, sir.
Bye,
Bye-bye.
sir.
Okay, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye.